So you've ordered your Elbo 2. What should you expect now? Well, if you've ordered the Elbo 2 Complete or the Elbo 2 Regular, you're going to receive 2 boxes. The Elbo 2 Naked comes in 1 box. Let me show you what you'll receive. If you ordered the Elbo 2 Naked, you will receive the base, along with the articulating arm, and a bag of accessories to help put the whole thing together. If you've ordered the regular Elbo, you'll also receive a handle and a cutting bar. If you ordered the Complete, you will receive the laser along with its accessory bag. To start assembling your Elbo 2, unpack the bags that came with it. This is bag A. It has an Allen wrench and a stop ring. This is bag B. It has an Allen wrench, some cards in there, and a sticker, plus a 1/4 inch cutting bit and a 3/16 inch cutting bit. In bag C, you have 2 handles for the base, and over here in bag D, you have the locking handle and plate for the base. Out of bag D, grab the handle with the washer, slide it through the base, and screw on the clamping plate. Place the base on the lathe, rotate the clamp underneath so it comes in contact with both ways of the lathe, and then tighten down. This handle is adjustable so you can pull up and put it in any position you want once you're done. Now take the 2 handles from bag C and screw them into the receiver on the base. Do not screw all the way through because we're going to be sliding the shaft of the Elbo 2 down through here in just a moment. Now we're ready to mount the Elbo 2 to our lathe for the first time. This procedure will vary a little bit depending upon what length lathe you have, but right now on my American Beauty, this receiver on the base is 32 inches from my spindle. Before I slide this in, I'm going to take the stop ring and put it on the shaft here, and then slide this into the receiver. Now you notice there's a flat side on the post right here. That's what we want facing the handles as we screw them onto there. Do not tighten the stop ring at this point. Up to this point, I've left the storage strap on. It's a good safety procedure. Always have this engaged whenever you're transporting the Elbo. It keeps it nice and compact and easy to handle. Now you can take it off, and we're going to install the handles and the toolbar. The front bar has 2 3/4 inch holes. The one in the back is for the handle. The one in the front is for the cutter bar. So you simply slide the cutter bar in. One tip is to first tighten the back screw. That guarantees that you're all the way inserted and you're going to get a good locking grip on the bar. Now insert the 1/4 inch cutter into the toolbar and tighten down using the same Allen wrench as before. Then insert a drive center into your spindle. So now we're ready to adjust the Elbo 2 to the correct height for turning. What I have to do is I want to raise this up just a little bit to where the tip is just about a 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch below center without the tool rest supporting it. One tip here, tighten the stop ring now before you raise the Elbo. And now you can actually get kind of an idea of a measurement of how high you're raising it. So adjust it till you get the tip where you need it. Lock in the handles. Then come back, release the stop ring, and then lock it back in place. Now we want to raise the tool rest up and bring it up to where it brings the tip just a little bit above center. Now we want to check to see if we're perfectly level. Pull the tool back and push it forward. If the bar makes constant contact with the tool rest, we're ready to go. If for some reason it's a little harder to pull or push on one end or the other, or if the tool raises up off the tool rest, all you have to do is come back here, make slight adjustments on the back end along with the tool rest till you get it level. Once it's level, loosen the locking ring, let it drop, and tighten it again. That way, the next time you want to hollow, you just come back with your tool, drop it into the receiver on the base, and you're at the perfect level to start hollowing. The only time you're going to have to adjust the height of the tool again is when you put in a shorter tool bit or smaller tool bit, like the 3/16 inch. You can see it's a little bit shorter, so the tip comes in a little bit below center, so you're simply going to have to raise the post on the Elbo 2 and the tool rest equal amounts to bring it up and keep it on level. The only difference when setting up your Elbo 2 on a short bed or mini lathe is to put the articulation behind the post. You can even cantilever the base out a bit so you only use up about 2 inches of your bed. That way you can use the Elbo 2 to its fullest capabilities. So now your Elbo 2 is all ready to hollow. Unless of course you bought the Elbo Tool Laser Guide. Let me show you how to install that. When you unpack your Elbo 2 Laser Guide, you'll get a support, an extension arm, and the adjustable laser holder, along with 3 Allen wrenches and a power supply. So the first piece we're going to install is the support, and it has its mounting screw already screwed in the bottom, so remove that. Take the bolt, insert it up through the arm, and then hand tighten the support. Do not over tighten it. Now we need to assemble the laser arm. It comes with 2 screws right here that you need to take out. Then you want to uncoil the power cord and run it with the whole side here, run it all the way through the bar. One trick that makes the plug go through easier is to spin the bar as you insert the cable. Make sure the cable goes into the groove, slide the bar on, turn it over, insert the screws, and tighten them with the medium-sized Allen wrench. To install the arm, we want to pass the power cord through the support, and you'll notice as you slide the arm into the hole there is a flat side. You want that facing up, and that's where the handle will make the best contact and get a good grip. Now you can see we're still wobbly, and that's on purpose. I want to take my Allen wrench and insert it down into here and then turn this way, and I want to line this arm right up with my cutter bar, and once it's straight, just tighten it, put a good crank on there, and you're ready to use your laser guide. So that's how you assemble the Elbo 2 hollowing system and the Elbo 2 laser guide. Looks like to me, it's time to get hollowing.